Welcome back to the channel, and today we got some new wheels for my Dodge Ram Knightrunner, aka the Night Rammer. These are the stock ones, super stiff. They look really good, but they're 1.55s, and I want this thing to be capable. So if we take a look at my real truck in real life, it has 37s on it, and everything's chopped. So that's it. If we want this to be like my real truck, we need to put big tires on it and chop stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna twist off all the caps and buzz off all the wheels. That looks sweet. I would have preferred black rims, but I do like that chrome, kind of old school with it. So the body's not sitting perfectly on right now. There we go. We're up there for sure. But you can see that clearance below right away. You put the bigger tires on. Look at that. You got already better clearance for your underbelly. Everything goes up. My gosh, this thing just gets better and better, guys. The clearance. I might want to get some spacers to kick the wheels out just a little bit, just so we have a wider stance. Right? I feel like we're gonna be a little bit top heavy now with the rooftop tent on the back, but that's just a freaking behemoth, guys. That is so awesome. All right, let's take her for a little test spin. This thing performs so much better with the big tires. You can actually kind of get some crawling capabilities out of it, which is nice. I just rolled this, rolled it down the bank. But yeah, I love this thing. It's with the brushless system now and the wheels, you really get some performance. Even on those rocks, it's hard to tell, but that is like cliffside. And I have like so much control now with these wheels. Like they're able to grip up a lot better. Yes, I didn't really complete some of those, but that's because like that's meant for like this one here, which is like an LCG chassis, like droop setup. This one would even struggle with that, but this is more for the scale anyways, but the performance I do get now is a lot better than it used to be. So I'm happy with that. And that's where we're gonna end it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.